Guys, I'm done. If you see the video, follow, like. If you don't have to. But you have to, because you'll be seeing me every day, day to day, and time to time, because I might get annoying because I'm just starting, and I don't know where I'll be ending up in the coming time, because I have the potential in going far in life, because the past 7 years, I've crossed over 1 million or so. I had a good marriage, and it all fall down. I built it up, I went all up,